Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make COVID-19 tracker. Let's see the component. Node MCU ESP8266 Wi-Fi development Node MCU cable, 16 x 2 LCD display, I2C module, 4 male to female jumper wire, breadboard. Now connect the circuit. Node MCU ESP8266 Wi-Fi development board. Connect in the breadboard like this. Now connect I2C module. There is 4 pin: ground, VCC, SDA and SCL pin. Connect here. Connect 16 x 2 LCD display. Connect in front of I2C module. See. Now connect the wire. VCC pin connect to VIN pin of Node MCU. VIN pin. Ground pin connect to ground. Ground means GND pin connect to GND. SDA pin connect to D2 of Node MCU. D2 pin of Node MCU. SCL pin connect to D1 pin of Node MCU. See, D1 and D2, SDA D2, SCL D1, VCC connect to VIN pin. Circuit will completed. Connect the cable to upload the code.
This is the code of COVID-19 tracker. This is all library. First you include the library of I2C module, the sketch, include library, manage library, write liquid crystal I2C. Now enter and scroll down. Install the library. For this, install this library. After installation, you close it. Now other library link given in description. Copy the link and open the Chrome and paste here. Open it. Download the zip file. Extract the file. I extract in desktop. Okay. Yes to all. Go to the folder. This is the folder of ESP8266. Now this is the code. Code link also given in description. If you use this code, then some change. See, if you use this code, then you will change this line. Change this line from this. Okay. Now cut it and see the user ID password. Then open Wi-Fi Connect. Scroll down. This is your user and this is your password. User ID password. Go to the software Arduino IDE. Include this library. Go to the sketch. Include library. Add zip library. Desktop. ESP8266 base coronavirus tracking master. Okay, and open it. I have already downloaded this library. Now this is a country code. Here you find the country code. Copy this link and paste in the Chrome. Here you see all country are showing. Find your country, Control plus F, and write your country. Copy this and paste in the code. Here you paste to country. Now see the whole code. If you don't set up the Node MCU, first you set up the Node MCU. The link is given in the description. Go to the tool. If you don't set up the Node MCU, please watch the Node MCU setup video. Select the board of Node MCU, scroll down. Select Node MCU 1.0 ESP2LE module. Now select port 17. Now upload the code. Now code is uploaded. Open your serial monitor and see, start connecting. If your Node MCU connect the Wi-Fi, then the data will show. Here you show the country.
Now code is uploaded. If the Node MCU connect the Wi-Fi, then give the output. Now see output, confirm case, death case and recovery case. Please like, share and subscribe also. Thank you friend.